Hello everyone, I am ShawnnaJohnson. Please don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe. And today I'm going to review what I am putting in my guest purse. Okay, first thing of business, make sure you have something really nice to put any type of paper or organizers. This is my calendar for 2020. Of course, I'm going to get a new one. So I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to make sure I have a pen in there, because you always want to make sure you have a couple of pens. Also for 2021, I'm going to be getting some brand new sharp looking pens. But you want to always make sure you have a pen. Some really nice pen is good. Yes, I'm going to put my pen in there. Put my pen, make sure it works first. Because it's nothing worse than not having a pen that doesn't work. Yes, this works. Okay, so that's going to go in there, in here, along with my calendar. Even if you write down like your things on your lists on your cell phone, it's important to have a calendar in your purse to write down and jot down certain things as well. And of course, I'm just going to carry a basic pen as well, just a basic one. So I got a cute one in there, but just in case that goes out, I got a basic one as well. So I got two pens. Okay. So I'm putting that in my purse, my guest purse. Putting that in my guest purse. I want to make sure the feng shui of my purse is really nice, because it shows for, like, just really pay attention to people when you go to Walmart or when you go to Target or when you go to the store and you look at an individual and the purse really explains a lot about their personality. You can tell a lot about an individual's purse, also about an individual's keys. I try to organize my purse every single morning before I actually leave the house. If it's possible. Most of the time I do. So you want to make sure you have always carry two of your masks. I always carry two just in case somebody says, "Mom, I forgot mine," which happens to me all the time. And I'm like, okay, I have one here. You know, in certain places you can't go in if you don't have a mask. So that I'm going to go ahead and put it in my little, organizer, because this is something that is very important, to us going into Walmart and going into, different department stores and things of that nature, because they can actually kick you out for not having one on. I don't think, sometimes they don't even notice. So sometimes you can get away with probably going in without one though. And then of course I have my wallet. Now I have I always carry two different wallets. But this is my main wallet, and you want to pick a wallet that has high energy. So silver or red, I hear vibrant red is really good. I had a vibrant red one, but I tend to put my vibrant red credit cards in here, and they say it attracts money when it's like it has to do with your feng shui. But of course I have all my credit cards and things of that nature in here. And then of course I put my money in my wallet. Put it in my purse. Okay, and you want to carry around, if you go to Walmart and you have like there's like these makeup bags. Okay, so I have my makeup carrier. I have all my makeup in there. You know, just different things in there. Of course, my CoverGirl, my lipstick. My little eyeliner, lipstick, eyeliner, mascara. Okay, put it in your makeup bag and go ahead and put it in your purse. And I like to divide the sections of my purse. So I have two different sections in my guest purse. So I like to put my money, anything dealing with my money on one side, and then anything dealing with my makeup or anything else on the other side. And then in the middle section, anything that's extremely important that I might have. Like for example, I have this. I keep this little wallet, but I don't put change in there. I put my jump drives in there, okay? I put my jump drives, and so this and this can go into the middle department, the middle section of the purse. That's really nice to put in there. So that's important things. And of course, I have my sunglasses, and I have my little sunglass case. A cute little sunglass case. I mean, you can always get these anywhere, these little sunglass cases. They sell them in the store all the time. And of course, always wear sunglasses, especially if you're wearing somewhere, if you go somewhere, even if you're not somewhere sunny, the sun tends to get in your eyes. But out here in California, it always gets in people's eyes. Typically, what I do is I'll wear my sunglasses right here, and they're all ready. Because even on a snowy day. And inside of my sunglass case, I even carry around rubber bands. A few rubber bands, because if you have long hair, you know, I mean, if you have short hair, you don't really have to worry about that. When I actually had my my short hair, and I'm putting this like along with my makeup bag, I'm putting that on that side because it has to do with appearance. Okay, so then I have another wallet. I have a different wallet. Now this is an older wallet. I need to get another wallet. This is, I mean, it's decent, but the reason I have two wallets is because in this wallet I carry everything that's dealing with my insurance, my health insurance, and any type of insurance. So I'm gonna also put that on the money side of my bag. So just in case, like, you know, God forbid, we're out somewhere and somebody gets sick or something were to happen, then I have my insurance cards available, and I'm ready to go when it comes to that. So that's what I put in that, but I separate that from my money and from my cards. Okay, because you don't want your money to get sick, if that makes any sense. Probably not, but anyway. Okay, then these little makeup bags are really, they come in handy. These little makeup bags are very awesome and come in handy. Like, you can get these anywhere. You can probably from even the dollar store. I got mine from Walmart, though. I always get mine from Walmart. You can put your hand sanitizer in here. And you know what? I think I'm gonna put my mask in here instead of my little deli planner. I'm gonna put my hand sanitizer in there, and I'm gonna put my mask in there. Yeah. So my two masks in there. Okay. And always get a mask too. When you get a mask, make sure you get a mask that's a breathable and a cute one. So you want to match. You want to match it up. I mean, you gotta wear it, so might as well match it and make it cute. But make sure you have your hand sanitizer in there too. And I'm going to put that in the section where my makeup bag is and where my sunglasses is, because it's dealing with personal hygiene. And then you want to carry some lotion. This is, people always ask me, do you have any, Mom, do you have any lotion? You know, so I'm like, sure, hon, just look in my bag. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in one of these little makeup bags. One of these little bags. But I'm not going to put it in the same one as my mask. I have another one. I have a second one. So I'm going to put this in here. You can always put your rubber bands in there as well. So, hold on, hon. I'm online. So you put that in there. The lotion in there. And I guess that's it. Okay, so if you have any questions and if you would like to purchase anything that you saw in this video, of course I'm leaving it in the links below. And you are ready to go. One little last thing I would like to mention, to get your day ready, okay, you might also want to carry around a bulletin board. This would be for your bills, and that's just actually, you could probably put it in your, I mean, you could put it inside your purse. You don't have to. Normally, I just carry this around with me. And what's going to go on there are like your bills and the things that you're going to actually pay that specific day. You know, and the things that you're going to actually handle that specific day is what you would actually put on the clipboard. So, and then you can carry this around with you. You can either carry this around, or you can, again, put it in your purse, because this is big enough to put it in there, but I don't think I'm going to do that. So anyway, that's it. Stay shining. Much love. Bye.